This should be played at high volume, preferably in a residential area.
You guys want to win some free tickets? You guys need to do something crazy.
Alright, I'll sock him in the head. He'll take a punch in the head.
Really? No way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. No way. That's fucking awesome. What? Oh shit. That was cool.
What the hell's going on around here?
Psycho. We should go on the lookout for. Suicidal Tendencies right now. We're probably two of the biggest fans right here. Should we go do it? Let's go do it.
I'm really scared.
We'll be like a team.
I'm really scared.
We'll just go to the dressing room real quick.
Okay, we'll just talk to the door.
Yeah.
You can't bring me down. Who the hell you calling crazy? You wouldn't know if crazy was a child mask was eating fruit on your front porch. Don't know. Let's get something clear. I speak. Won't you think what I hear? Scapegoat, cover up your fear. You can't bring me. You ain't never seen so much pain like more.
Hey, we were just wondering if you like Decepticons or Transformers. I mean, Autobots.
What do I need a verbal answer, or do we just duke it out here?
No. There's no duking. We'd have lasers.
Oh, lasers, right? Lasers and shields, right? Okay, cool.
Bring me down. You can bring me down. No, bring me down. You can bring me.
We have to find Suicidal Tendencies right now.
Okay, go find them.
I don't know if we're gonna. I mean,
They're not here.
are they? So what's your favorite record?
I'll pretend. Join the army.
Yeah. Like I'm fucking nervous, so I want to like meet Mike Muir so bad. Like.
Let's go to Paul for.
Yeah, Paul.
And then maybe he can talk some, because he likes Suicidal Tendencies too.
Hey Paul, we have an interview we got going on. I worship this band. Bad. Like when I was,
Crew, open up that door and like 5 punk dudes will come out and just whoop our ass.
and then we'd be screwed.
Yeah, then we wouldn't play. They'd probably just break our hands.
There's so many songs that I want to hear today. I want to go sneak a peek at the guest list. I mean, the set list.
My main question is this: is the Suicidal Crew gonna be in effect tonight? Like the full-on dudes.
There was a dude outside I saw, I swear to God, suicidal hats up, just yelling suicidal. I was like, fuck yeah, I'm ready.
Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Can't bring me down. Suicidal.
All right, everybody, we have the new Every Time I Die joint. Let's bump it.
Oh yeah, sure. What's up? What are you guys doing here?
Listening to music.
What band are you excited to see?
Gore.
Guar? Is that what it says?
This is the first time.
Oh, nice. Have you never seen Guar before? Are you gonna get up front?
I'm gonna try to.
You should. It's awesome. That's one of the raddest things. There's actually they brought a T-Rex with them on tour, and at some point in time it's gonna probably eat you. Want to make a comment on that? All right. It's pretty rad though. You should get up front. What?
Hi, I'm Anna. I work for Hot Topic. Like,
Nice. Awesome. That's awesome.
Brie, like the cheese.
Oh,
Brie, like the cheese.
all right. Brie like the cheese. My name's Andy. I don't.
Yuvia.
She is shy. We're sorry. She didn't like it. It'll take your soul. Yeah. So like, what other bands do you want to see?
I don't know.
You know, just Guar. That's awesome. What's your name? What do you do?
Jesse. I sing.
He's actually just on a tour by himself.
I did my acoustic performance and got booed really bad today.
He took over the Necro spot, and yeah.
And my solo project is called The Number 12. Looks like Andy.
want to say anything? What's on top of your head right now? What's in your mind right now?
Right now I'm thinking about where the bathroom is because I have to poop.
I'll show you where it is. It's this way. You go in there and then walk down this hallway, and it's like right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's all that was thing.
Take it. All right, let's go. We're not allowed. Don't tape this area. No, no, no. Hey, let's go this way. Go this way. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna go. Uh-oh. Okay, so. Oh no, I'm not lost yet. We're gonna get this guy a pooper. Whoa, whoa.
Well, number 12 smells like poo.
Really?
If that's any consolation.
I don't think so. You guys smell pretty good.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Whoa. That was fast.
This is a hell of a production. Usually it's just one dude. Now we got 2 cameras.
This is really cool. I just want to say hi to everybody back in East Rutherford, New Jersey.
Whoa, we're gonna have to go in loud area. Who's playing right now?
The Devil Wears Prada.
We should interview them while they're playing. That wouldn't be awkward.
I think that would be cool.
Hey guys, gotta. Hey, oh, are you guys busy? Let's go this way.
Playing a show?
Come on, we gotta find. Oh no, it's this way. I'm sorry. That's where the poopers
The
are.
restrooms.
Oh yeah, they're this way. I thought they were that way. No, they're this way. Whoa. No, they're this way. The ones I went to are this way.
I think I'm going to poop all over myself.
Let's go.
Production office on the left side, actually.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, have good poop. That made no sense. Have good poop.
You can't fully slay
Yeah!
What is this? What? What? What's going on, dude? Did you? You videoed?
Yeah, want to talk about stuff?
Yeah.
What's in your head right now? What's in your head?
Well, I want to play WoW. I've been training, you know. I want to be a level, 70 Warlock, you know. Shit like that.
That's cool, man. That's cool, man. No, I never played that game.
Yeah, dude, WoW's the thing, man.
Is it?
You gotta play, man.
What are you?
See, I don't have enough time to have my own character, so I share with my friend. See, I want to be a warlock, but right now I'm just a warrior. A gladiator warrior, so it's cool.
I was once a troll slayer.
Oh, well, I'm down with that. I'll fucking LARP any day, dude. Roleplay.
Do you know Lamarfa? You don't know him?
No, is that your name?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Andrew. I don't know. I'll give
Hey,
you a hug
Andrew,
or
I'm Jim.
something. What up, dude?
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
Chilling. I was on my way to
Are
get.
you on the tour?
Yeah, Heavy Lolo. Man.
Oh, what do you do?
The bass.
Oh, you know what? You look different for on stage.
I was on my way to steal a bunch of soda though from my friends. So.
Nice. Go steal, man.
Wait, War. Me and the Good Old Boy Network got something ready for you.
Hi, how's it going? How you doing?
Matt, what do you do?
I have no clue. I really don't.
He has no idea.
Somebody please tell me. What do I do?
Look at his hands.
Look, see, it's like, no, well, sort of clean.
I'll give you a guess of what band he probably has something to do with. Gwar. Not Gwar.
No, not Gwar. Not at all. Not Gwar. No blood.
He has nothing to do with Gwar.
What are you doing?
We're doing interviews, man.
Awesome.
Shit.
So, like, when I was born in a little tree house. Oh, wait, who's this guy?
Oh, yeah, who's this guy here? Why don't you come in here, too?
I don't want to interrupt, man.
Come on.
It's not interrupt, it's interview.
Intervene.
Interview.
Placebo. What is this? Project Placebo?
Please save this interview.
Channel 15, Comcast, San Jose.
There's not quite enough material here.
This is Todd. Yo,
Hi.
me and Todd have matching tattoos.
You do.
Whoa, wrong arm.
He doesn't know where he got them.
They can almost make out.
They can.
Oh,
That was really weird. That was weird.
Kind of like weird.
it's a bit
It was
weird.
cool. It's kind of a bonding thing.
I just got an Ultimate Warrior tattoo, too. Power of the Warrior. Power of the Warrior. So, yo, tell me something.
I'm homeless. When I get off the tour, I have to find somewhere to live. I live in an aluminum sausage parked on the other side of the venue. We'll take you on a tour if you want it, but it's.
Yeah, you need any help?
I don't know where it is. Yeah. I'm looking to. You need a tech?
Help us out.
You need a guitar tech?
Let's do it. Yeah, Todd is our new tech. He just techs everything.
Yeah.
He's actually from Texas.
Here's my tomato.
That was my favorite. That was my favorite joke I've ever made.
They do. They know not what they do. Bring back the bomb. What makes sense?
Mike, come here. Mike, come here. All right. Here's the Riffmaster General, Mike
Let's get all
Schleibom
in the
from Dark
shot.
Sour.
Yes. What's the question?
No, we're just talking.
Mr. Williams.
Yo, tell him.
Like snappy comments.
Oh, we're looking for one-liners.
Anything.
I just made a good joke. Do you want me to
Oh,
do
yeah,
it?
do it again.
Yo, let's do a reenactment of that joke. So Todd, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You're homeless, huh?
Yeah.
Are you looking for a job?
Of course not. Oh, I mean, yeah, with you guys,
What do you want to do?
I want to be a tech.
Where are you from? Texas?
No.
That's terrible, dude.
Again, no.
Yes, it's tomato.
Oh, I'm almost
Ryan's
crying.
good on the camera.
Yeah, Ryan.
I was just trying to make money.
Talk
My birthday shoot.
Ryan, come here. You guys up?
good with the camera.
He's got nipple rings.
Pull him, yank him, shove him. Go, go.
Johnson's too big. It hangs onto the tree.
I guess Dark Sour is going on soon. All right. Dirks, come here. Dirks, come here.
That'd be a good interview.
Yo, check it out. Dirks.
What's the hubbub, boss?
It's actually it's for a poker thing.
Oh, awesome.
Dirks loves poker.
Yeah, I do. I'm the underground resident poker expert.
The only thing is I haven't seen a game yet. I'm calling you out. I don't even gamble. That's the worst. Well,
It's the worst year for poker. I'm sorry.
Dirks also is in a band he's in another band. He plays in a band.
Oh, we saw this flyer yesterday in Reno. It was awesome. It was for you guys. It was Every Time I Die, and it had a picture of As I Lay Dying. So we called it the Every Time I Lay Dying flyer.
Yeah, we see that. I got it on my phone. Like a friend of mine just like sent it to me, and it was pretty bad. Yeah. So obviously people don't know who we are. They just think we're As I Lay Dying.
We debated and we decided that you guys are hotter than As I Lay Dying.
Yeah.
Especially Keith. Keith's like way hotter than that Tim dude.
Yeah.
And you don't have as many inhibitions. He's good.
Whoa! You see that? It went right up his nose. I hope this is what you wanted, because this is awesome.
Stronger! Not very much longer. Nowhere to see, nowhere to go, nothing to do, nowhere to know. Lock and block. Nothing will live, nothing will go, no one will care, no one will know it. I thought you never could win, you only get down by not going in. Who the hell am I? Yeah. And what did you do to my hands? I'm getting strong. They built this place with steel and painted it with mud. It's constantly on fire. They put it out with blood. They said it was a prison, but became so much more. A maze it built into itself. They had to bar the door. Bar the door. Quickly, you fools! Nowhere to go, nowhere to go. The floating eyeball is to be feared. The pupil hides a maw. They say the children run this place. That's how they missed the fatal flaw. Outlaw, you never can win. You only get out by not going in. Nowhere to see, nowhere to go, nothing to do. Lock, you never could win, you only get out by not going in. Nowhere to see, nowhere to go, nothing to do. Now I tell you. What got you so jumpy?
There you go. There he is.